Disclaimer: this clip is for fair use, commentary, criticism, or education purposes only. All rights belong to their respective owners.
In the late 1800s, a young Filipino scholar traveled across Europe. His name was Jose Rizal, a man whose ideas would inspire a nation. In 1885, Rizal arrived in Paris, one of Europe's greatest cultural centers. Here, he worked with fellow Filipino reformists and studied medicine, art, and culture. While in Paris, Rizal continued to sharpen his talent not only as a doctor but also as a writer and thinker. Together with other Filipinos in Europe, Rizal discussed how to fight injustice in their homeland. They believed education and knowledge could bring change. In 1886, Rizal traveled to Berlin, Germany. The city was known for its universities, libraries, and intellectual freedom. In Berlin, Rizal completed his famous novel, Nolimi Tangri. The book exposed the abuses and injustice happening in the Philippines under colonial rule.
Although he struggled financially, Rizal remained determined to publish the novel. In 1887, Rizal's dream came true. Nolimi Tangere was finally published in Berlin. The novel would awaken the minds of Filipinos and inspire the fight for reform. From Paris to Berlin, Rizal used knowledge, courage, and words to fight injustices. His journey across Europe became a powerful step toward freedom.